Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're not gonna be working on any of the rebuilds. Not the BMW, not the Volkswagen, and not the Chevrolet Silverado or any other car. And the reason behind that, because every single car is ready to be painted. I mean, prep for paint, mask and paint, right? But I cannot paint inside because of this thing here inside. I need to move this compressor out of here and relocate over here on the side of the garage. I already put a pad for it with my Michael and my dad. So it's a 6-inch 4x4 pad here. Used to be some kind of duck shed or something. Was over there. This was over there. So we took it apart. I'm gonna reuse some of the materials, but basically I'm gonna build a new shed here, 8x10. I got the metal over there for it. It's gonna have a metal base, and then I put a plywood over and build my walls. So it's gonna be lean-to. It's gonna go from one side to other, and it's gonna be 8-foot building, and extra 4-foot gonna be overhang for the dogs to get out from the rain or something. And also inside the shed, across from the compressor area over here, 4x4, or maybe a little smaller. No, probably gonna build a 4x4 box inside that can cover, gonna insulate it and all that. I'm gonna buy a dog door, I'm gonna install it there, so just in case when I need to leave dogs over here over winter time, they can go inside and can be warm because they're short hair. Well, they have short hair, so they getting cold real easy. It's not gonna be just a shed. I'm gonna build the roof over all the way from there, and to cover this door 16 feet this way and 12 feet 10 feet this way. Hold on, 8. Did I order 10 feet? I think I screwed up. I think I ordered, oh man, they should, no, 12 footers. Yeah, because 2x4s. Yeah, 12 footers. Wow, I got a little scared that I got the 10 footers instead of 12 footers. So I will have a 12-foot 2x6s that runs from this wall, from this wall over here outside, and the shed is gonna be on 8 feet, and on the end I'm gonna throw double 2x6 with the post, pressure treated posts. And I haven't decided if I'm gonna put a concrete under or just gonna put the blocks under. Probably should do concrete. We'll see. That is the plan. So I'm gonna be working on the shed and basically cover area over here. So whenever I go off of the garage, it's covered, and it's gonna be sucks kinda, cause when I'm painting, anyway, you see that box over there? That's gonna be my motor to pull the overspray off of the garage. That's gonna be later on. We're not gonna go that deep right now. Let's focus on the shed. Let's assemble the floor, level it, put the plywood on, and go from there. Okay, ground is prepared. Looks level enough to me. I even checked and it's level. I mean, I'm working with this so long, so I can by looking at it, I can tell if it looks level or not. So now I need to pull out this metal. This is gonna be my base. This is gonna be the floor, and the plywood gonna be on top of it. T111 on the side. This is the roof. This is the header. Let's get the metal out off of there. Get it there, and let's get the floor together. There you go, base is assembled. This is my floor. Now all I have to do, put the plywood and screw the plywood to the metal, and that's how it's gonna be. The reason I'm using metal is because even pressure treated, still gonna rot out, and the metal, especially galvanized, probably not gonna rot it through or rust it through. So now $1 million task is to get this floor ply off of the bottom. That's it. I'm done with the floor. I'm ready to build the walls, but it's late. I was hoping to finish the floor and I did it. Took a lot of time to collect all the lumber, but well, that's part of the deal. So you can see the platform over there. It's 8x10, 4x4 concrete pad, and rest of the it's gonna be like a shed. Now you can see and have idea where the dog house is gonna be. So this area 4x4 over here gonna be dog house. It's gonna have a wall over here, and I'm gonna build a pony wall, and have a closed off roof, so I can open close it whenever I need it. Dock door over here, and 4-foot on this side. It's gonna be also covered. So I'm done for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Alright guys, it's the next day here. It's actually not the next day, it's a third day. So yesterday was Sunday, which I supposed to continue installing shed, and then my wife came to me and said, hey, you've been working way too much. It's been actually 1 month working every single day, Monday to Sunday, Monday to Sunday. It's like too much. Let's go spend some time with us. So I'm like, okay, screw this shit, let's go hang out. So today came back from work. We already installed the shed 12/16, so I got home and we're gonna continue knocking as much as possible today, because tomorrow I won't have my tools till end of the Friday or beginning of Saturday actually, because my guy's gonna need the tools, so they're gonna keep all the tools, and I kind of don't want to get it stuck till Saturday. So my plan is to at least install this side wall, make it and stand it, and do the other wall. Man, my neighbors is going crazy today. Install maybe 2 walls so the structure will hold. That way I can still bring the compressor out and maybe cover something and do all the hookups, and maybe even continue this week at the end of the week and finish it. But let's just see how much I can get it done today before I'll give up on it. That's it, I'm done assembling this wall. Studs are over here 112 plus 4.5 inches. What is it, 118.5, and plus 5.5 over here for 2x6 plus ½ inch for the plywood. So, oh man, is this gonna be on the way? Kinda? No, that's gonna be really close probably. I don't know, I'm probably gonna have to take this off if it won't fit. What do you think? Will it make it? Stop right here and comment it. Will it make it or not? So now I need to get this thing off. It looks like screwed in there. So after I'll take this off, this hook needs to be screwed out. Man, weather today is insane. They told us it's gonna be 20-mile winds normally and up to 60 miles gust winds, so it's gonna be crazy night tonight. So let's get that stuff done. Let's pick this wall up, and you can see over here I was using different plywood. That's the plywood left over from my work that goes to garbage, and I always collect those kind of pieces because I know every time you do a project you need little pieces. Instead of cutting little pieces off of the good material, you can use a garbage material like I did, and I don't need to be painted behind the wall because there's not gonna be a snow or rain or anything, so it's gonna be fine like it is primed. The top one is actually painted, so wow, better protection. Man, scary. Anyway, let's get this stuff done. And let's finally pick this wall up and start assembling sidewall. There you go, guys. Yesterday was too dark to show and explain what's going on. As you can see, it's almost ready. All I have to do is finish that corner over there with the plywood and Z-bar, and also finish the wall over here, which I have to buy a lumber. I don't have enough lumber, and I need to decide what kind of door I will have it here. That's actually gonna be this weekend, Saturday, because like I said, I don't have a tools with my guys. So yeah, I'm actually can start installing the compressor over here. Compressor area is slightly lower, about an inch and a half, pressure treated. Same thing over there. Over here, all that I will spray foam it so there's no cracks. And like I said a million times already, it's gonna be deck house over here. Rest of over here is gonna be a bunch of shelves to store some stuff. It's not hard to do this kind of projects. You can do it at home if you have a little bit of knowledge and have a tools. Everything goes the way it should go, and everything is the way it's supposed to be. Yes, I could finish today if I would have a tools, but hey, I'd rather receive a money than have a tools today, right? So it's okay, I can wait for the rest of the week. Oh, actually, no, this Friday I can continue. This Friday we'll have a Friday off, so nice, I can continue Friday. This is my 10 feet wall, and this is the 8 feet wall. 2.5 more plywoods, so I have to purchase, I have a sheet over there, 2 foot, and I need to purchase 2 more, and 1 more at least for this side, because the rest of it's gonna be a door. And that's it, and then I can start doing the roof over here, but that's gonna be in next episode. I'm gonna wrap it up this episode right here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Maybe you even learned something new that you can do for yourself. If you did, smash that like button or leave your thoughts or questions down below. If it's a normal question and I didn't say anything about it in the video, I will answer it. If it's a question I already spoke about so many times, I will ignore it. So if you want to see inside scoop, make sure you follow me Instagram at Salvagemasterv. But I'll catch you next one.